新年好呀，新年好呀，祝福大家新年好。我们唱歌，我们跳舞，祝福大家新年好。
Hi everyone, Chinese New Year is coming. Today I want to introduce Yāng.
Yāng, a folk dance that Chinese people do to celebrate Chinese New Year. Yāng means a seedling in Chinese. Yāng can date back to more than 1,000 years ago. It was to inspire people working in the fields and to cheer them up. So it has something to do with the seedlings. As time goes, Yāng developed into two types. One is Gaoqiao Yāng. Gaoqiao is a kind of stilt. People tread on the treadles, tie the stilts onto their legs. This is called walking on the stilts. Another is Di Yāng. Di means ground. Different from stilt Yāng, performers usually dance on the ground with handkerchiefs and fans. In northeast China, people will dance Yāng during Chinese New Year.
Now I'd like to show you how to dance with handkerchief. Handkerchief in Chinese is 手绢. Of course, it looks like a flower in dance, so we also call it 手绢花. For beginners, we should know how to hold the handkerchief.
Spread your palm out, put your forefingers together, place the handkerchief on your fingertips. Gently hold the edge of the handkerchief. This is the inside, this is the outside.
First, I'm gonna teach you a basic movement, 绕花, which means turn the handkerchief by the wrist. You should remember 3 steps.
Step 1, standing palm inward. Step 2, rotate inward. Step 3, hold on the wrist.
Now do it with handkerchief.
The first movement. Do 绕花 using left and right hands alternately. X work is a dance work of Yāng.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's do it together with hands and legs. You can shake your head at the same time.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The second movement is butterfly flower. Cross your hands and forearms on your chest, then open the arms to the downside. Kick forward.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now do it together.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The third movement.
1,
Raise your
2,
hands
3,
alternately to
4,
shoulder high.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Kick backward.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Do it together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The fourth movement. Extend your arms diagonally.
2, 3, 4,
Eye focus on the
6,
lower hand.
7, 8.
Jump.
1, 2,
Lift up your
3,
heel
4,
and bounce a
5,
little.
6, 7, 8.
Do it together.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The fifth movement. Put the left hand on your waist. Right hand meets left ear, then move to the right.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Place feet apart. You
1,
should shift your
2,
weight from
3,
one foot
4,
to another.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Do it together.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The sixth movement. Place the index finger in the center of the handkerchief. Then move your finger in a circle to rotate the handkerchief. Let's review all of the movements.
Number 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 6.